lessons that we've learned in this is, and the questions that I wanted to ask to end. So, brand. So remember your purpose, keep your values in front of you, but really ask your customers what that is and what does it mean to your customers. Products. So what other products do you sell, can you sell to your same customers? Okay. Customers. What other customers can you sell your same products to? Marketing. What's your ROI formula? You know, what is it? And do you know it? And once you figure it out, where can you invest smartly in advertising? Sales. How are you adding value, and how much does that cost you in that sales value stream? Finally, business systems. Are you building a systematic business process? Do you have processes written down? Are you using those processes in line with your systems like Printavo to run your business? And are you training your people and allowing them to improve them, not you being the person that improves them? And then cash flow. What's your cash conversion cycle? Everyone should go home and figure that out. It's pretty simple math. You can Google it. You should know it. You know what's awesome about screen printing? Is it's got a pretty good cash conversion cycle, because you typically don't have to pay for shirts. You turn them around pretty quick. You get net 30 terms. So, but what is yours? You know, and are you holding too much inventory? Are you getting paid too late from customers and not having great terms for your vendors? And how can you change that? And how does that compare to your growth rate? And then what's your funding backup? So who's your integrator on your company and who's your innovator? If you don't have both, how can you find the other guy or girl? And then finally, who can you partner with to be better together? So ask yourselves those questions as you go home from this conference. You're going to come up with a lot of different ideas. These are some of the books that I've read that have really kind of ingrained some of these concepts. So my top 4 favorites, obviously the Blue Ocean Strategy, E-Myth Revisited, Business for Punks, and Great by Choice. And then if you guys have any questions, be here for the rest of the conference. You can follow me, Ryan Moor, Ryonet, Rock, and All Main are main brands, and we have shirt samples out there, and appreciate it. So, open up. Okay, questions?
Can you go back one slide?
Yes.
Right there, hang on.
This is a freaking awesome book right there.
And the one before that.
Yeah, they're all good books. Yeah.
You had the slide before that.
Oh, you want me to go back again? Okay, cool. All right, yep.
How did you get screenprinting.com?
So screenprinting.com, the first website we bought was silkscreening-supplies.com. One thing, there's a really good book. Anyone have ADHD here? So if you have ADHD, you should read this book faster than normal. Apparently one of our traits is buying weird random domains at random times during the day and night. I think I own like 3,000 of them. It's ridiculous. So screenprinting.com was bought through an auction process, and it cost about 6 figures. So we didn't have that. We bought it in 2008. We took 4 years to come up with a strategy on how to launch it, and then launched it. Allmade.com didn't cost that much, though. It did cost a little bit, though. Yeah. Rock.com somebody owns, and they won't sell it. Dumb.
You always laugh when I'm about to say something, but I feel like you're the note king. Like you're always like on your computer plugging in things, like building different PowerPoints and stuff. And I guess my question is like, when do you take time to revisit those and actually integrate them? Because I always see you plugging away, and I do that, but then I close the notebook and I probably never look at it.
So I do them all in Notepad, and then what I try to do is you remember like 80% more if you revisited. So on the ride home, on the play ride home, I'll go in and I'll have Suri read them back to me. So I'll have Suri read them back to me, and then if it's a good idea, I just email Brandon and he does it. So he's the integrator.
Suri, you mean Siri?
Suri. It's text-to-speech functionality. You can Google it. It's awesome. Read legal contracts. Remember, I have ADHD, so I don't read more than a paragraph. So she reads everything to me. Yeah.
What's the 10th core value or core element?
I had 9 takeaways.